Hey, I'm Johnny from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle Company. And what we're offering here is a sidecar. It's a 1947 sidecar, or I'm sorry, 1946 sidecar. It'll fit rigid frames like in the 30s up till 57. I have the stock hookups that go on the frame as we took it off of a knucklehead. A few things about it. It's in very good shape. However, it's a reproduction body. This is a fiberglass body. Windshield is a little. I don't know these sidecars very well. I know that the cover goes over here. Interior looks pretty nice. Looks like all the chrome strips are here. It's got, even though it's a 46 sidecar, it's got a 47 tail lamp on the back side here. But looks pretty good shape, and we're offering this for sale. We will be traveling from here to Connecticut over the Thanksgiving holiday. So if this is purchased in advance, we can possibly haul it there for a very low cost between here in Ohio and Connecticut. Okay, well, thanks for looking at our stuff, and it's a pretty cool car. We got some separating going on here on the windshield, on the canvas to the shield, and I think the same on the other side. There's a little separating, but all in all, this is a nice sidecar. Now this could be adapted to a later model bike with the proper hookups. But this is genuine Harley chassis, but it's got a fiberglass body. Okay, thanks for looking.